Sige. Go, Michael. Someone Like You. Cover by Michael Mighty Liling.
Ano sa? Ano sa? Ay! Makita ko. Kalabang. Ay, pati. I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess you gave me things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why you ain't like hold back your head right from the line. I hate to turn it out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face and that you'll be reminded of me. It isn't over. Never find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you to come. Wala na. Manoy. Ha? Ayaw ka lang. Ka lang.